Good morning, students. As you know that we have read the chapter number 13 of our English literature book, that is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. So today we will do its question answers. So firstly, let me discuss the word meanings. First one is prairie. Students, prairie means open area of grass. Okay, this is a open area where grass is there. Next is queer. Queer means strange. Earnestly means seriously. Tedious means difficult, tough. Awfully means very. Startled, frightened. Dar jana, groan, long sound. And stately strides, elegant long steps. So these are very simple. I hope that you have understood. So now listen carefully the question answers. First one is, why did the scarecrow thank Dorothy? सो स्केयरक्रो ने डॉरथी को थैंक यू क्यों कहा? बिकॉज डॉरथी हेल्प द स्केयरक्रो टू फ्री फ्रॉम द पॉल. स्केयरक्रो बंधा हुआ था ना पॉल के साथ, और डॉरथी ने क्या किया, उसको फ्री करा दिया, उसकी हेल्प करी. दैट्स वाई उसने थैंक यू बोला. ओके, नेक्स्ट, वाई डिड द स्केयरक्रो अग्री टू गो टू द एमरल्ड सिटी? स्टूडेंट्स, आई टोल्ड यू इन द स्टोरी ना दैट why, because Dorothy is going to Emerald City and Scarecrow was also agreed to go there. Why? Because he will bring a brain from there. Because Scarecrow said that I am not having brain, so I will bring the brain from Oz. Next, what comforted the Tin Man? Now I think you know that there was a Tin Man also, right? And Dorothy helped him also. So oiling by Dorothy and Scarecrow comforted the Tin Man. Actually the Tin Man was not happy because he was having pain. ओके, बिकॉज रस्ट लगी हुई थी उसके, वो लोहे का बना हुआ है ना, उस पर रस्ट लग गई, जंग लग गई. और उसने बोला था डॉरथी को कि मुझे कोई ऑयलिंग कर दो तो मैं देन आई कैन मूव. सो उसको कंफर्ट मिला. ऑयलिंग बाय डॉरथी एंड स्केयरक्रो कंफर्टेड द टिन मैन. नेक्स्ट, वाई डिड द टिन मैन अग्री टू गो विद डॉरथी? अब स्केयरक्रो तो अग्री हुआ डॉरथी के साथ जाने के लिए क्योंकि उसको ब्रेन चाहिए. टिन मैन भी अग्री हो गया. वाई? ही थॉट दैट ही वुड ब्रिंग हर्ट फ्रॉम देयर, because Tin Man thinks that he is not having heart and he would bring the heart from Oz. Next, why did Dorothy slap the lion? Dorothy ने lion को slap किया था. Why? Dorothy slapped the lion because the lion was biting Toto. क्योंकि lion जो था वो Toto को पीट रहा था. Next, why did the lion agree to go with Dorothy? Now lion was also ready to go with Dorothy. Why? Because the lion wanted courage. Okay, next is part B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. So the context is I am not feeling well, for it is very tedious, for it is very difficult being perched up here night and day to scare away crows. So who said this and to whom? You know, I think Scarecrow said this to Dorothy because he was in the difficult position there. Okay, next is, why did the speaker said so? Because he was tired with the, I think here is written, because he was tired with that job. Next is, what was so tedious for the speaker at night and why? So just now speaker I think is Scarecrow. So why he was feeling difficulty there? Because it gave him pain. The answer is so much easy, because it gave him pain. That's why he was feeling difficulty. Next context is no. Indeed, I don't know anything. You see, I am stuffed, so I have no brains at all. This is also the context by Scarecrow. Who said this and to whom? The Scarecrow said this to Dorothy. डॉरथी ने जब स्केयरक्रो को बोला था ना कि तुम जानते हो एमराल्ड सिटी कहाँ है, तो उसने बोला था नो रियली आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हैविंग ब्रेन. Okay, next question is why did the speaker say that he was stuffed? The speaker said that he was filled with straw and other materials. Stuffed means उसके अंदर कुछ भरा हुआ है. He was filled with something, and what was that? Straw and other materials. And next is explain the expression I have no brains at all. Scarecrow said that his full body is filled with material. There is no space for brain. See, this is आंसर कि स्केयरक्रो ने बोला कि मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी ब्रेन नहीं है. इट मीन्स उसकी फुल बॉडी में ही स्टफिंग है, मटेरियल्स हैं, उसमें बॉडी में ब्रेन के लिए स्पेस ही नहीं है. ओके, सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स that you have understood the question answer, so try to learn these. Okay, thank you so much, have a nice day.